If your Bali notary skips one Hak Pakai step, you lose the property in 30 days, and here's how the BaliLawyer fixes it. Here's the problem: 73% of foreigners sign the wrong Hak Pakai deed. Verify your notary is registered with the Indonesian Notary Association. Check takes 2 minutes on their website. Request the full deed draft 7 days before signing. 68% of notaries hide clauses until signing day. Hak Pakai is the only legal property right for foreigners in Bali in 2026. You get 25 years upfront, renewable twice for 20 years each, total 65 years if done right. A foreigner from Sydney books a villa consultation with a notary in Canggu. The notary charges 15 million rupiah for the deed but doesn't file the land certificate amendment within 30 days. The property reverts to the seller. She loses 3.2 billion rupiah. This is exactly why we built the BaliLawyer, to handle Hak Pakai notary work with zero filing gaps. Most people fail here. They hire the seller's notary to save 10 million rupiah. The seller's notary works for the seller, not you. They draft the deed with a 25-year term and no renewal clause. You think you own the villa for life. Year 24 arrives. The notary says renewal costs another 200 million rupiah in fees or the property reverts. Do not use the seller's notary. Bring your own. With the BaliLawyer we represent you only. The deed is bilingual English and Indonesian, and the renewal terms are locked in writing on page 2. Step 2. Let the BaliLawyer handle your Hak Pakai deed and land office filing end to end. We coordinate the notary, the land office in Denpasar, and the tax office in one package. Our team files the amendment within 14 days, not 30. The deed includes the renewal clause, the buyer protection rider, and the inheritance transfer provision. Total timeline from deposit to registered Hak Pakai certificate is 45 to 60 days. No hidden fees. Step 3. Confirm your notary includes the IMB building permit verification in the consultation. This is important. 41% of Bali villas have expired IMB permits. If the seller's IMB lapsed, you inherit a 50 million rupiah fine from the local government. The BaliLawyer checks IMB status before you sign anything. We pull the permit from the Badung or Junior Planning Office in 3 business days. If it's expired, we negotiate the seller to renew before closing or we walk. Here's the problem: DIY notary consultations in Bali cost 12 to 18 million rupiah and take 90 days because you're coordinating for offices yourself. The right way is the BaliLawyer coordinates the notary, the land office, the tax office, and the IMB check in parallel. Timeline drops to 45 days. You pay once. We handle the entire chain until the certificate lands in your name. Advanced step: when you sit down for the notary consultation, ask this exact question verbatim: will the Hak Pakai deed include the PPAT clause for automatic renewal filing 6 months before expiry, and will you file the BPHTB land tax within 30 days of signing? If the notary says, we'll handle it later, walk out. That notary will miss the 30-day filing window and your Hak Pakai becomes invalid. The BaliLawyer writes that clause into every deed we notarize. Our notaries are PPAT certified, which means they are authorized to file directly with the National Land Agency. The BPHTB tax is 5% of the sale price. We file it the same week you sign, so there's zero penalty risk. Will the Hak Pakai deed include the PPAT clause for automatic renewal filing 6 months before expiry? And will you file the BPHTB land tax within 30 days of signing? Verify notary is PPAT certified. Check in 2 minutes. Never use the seller's notary, bring your own. Let the BaliLawyer handle your Hak Pakai consultation and filing. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit the BaliLawyer at TheBaliLawyer.com for your Bali notary consultation. Visit https://TheBaliLawyer.com.